Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change Google Chrome default download location. First of all, I am going to show you default Google Chrome download location. Double-click on this PC. Click Downloads. This is Chrome default downloading location. I am going to change it. Let's close web browser. Open Chrome web browser. Click on three dot. Click Settings. Click Downloads. This is default location. Click on Change. Click on this PC. Double-click on C drive. Click New folder. I am given it name Downloads. Click Select folder. Now the location is changed. Close this tab. Open Google web browser. Type here in search, animal, images. Press enter. I am going to download this image. As you can see the location. Click Save. Close web browser. Double-click on this PC. Open C drive. Open Downloads folder. As you can the downloaded image. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to change Google Chrome default download location. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.